In today's video, we're reviewing LumaFusion, a mobile video editing app that's popular among creators, YouTubers, and social media editors. But how does it actually work, and is it the best option for mobile editing in 2025? Let's go ahead and break it down. So what is LumaFusion? It's a professional grade video editing app available on iOS and iPadOS. It allows you to edit multiple videos and audio tracks, add effects, transitions, and titles, and export your content in high quality, all from your phone or tablet. Now let's talk about using it. So first, you want to go ahead and download the LumaFusion app from the App Store and open the app. You can import media from your camera roll, cloud storage, or external drivers. Once your clips are imported, you can arrange them on multiple video and audio tracks, trim, split, or layer clips, add transitions, color corrections, and text overlays, and much more. Another key feature is the export option. So LumaFusion allows you to render videos in multiple resolutions, frame rates, and aspect ratios, making it super easy to create content for YouTube, Insta, TikTok, X, and other platforms. You can also save projects and continue editing later, which is great for creators on the go. Of course, there are some trade-offs. So LumaFusion is only available on iOS, so Android users are out of luck for the time being. While it's a powerful for a mobile app, it may not fully replace desktop editing software like Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere for highly complex projects. Some beginners might find the interface a bit overwhelming at first, so who benefits mostly from LumaFusion? If you're a content creator who wants professional level editing on your mobile device, LumaFusion is an excellent choice. It's perfect for YouTubers, social media managers, or anyone who needs to edit videos quickly without a computer. To wrap it up, LumaFusion brings robust video editing tools to your iPhone or iPad, making professional mobile editing possible. It's feature rich, fast, and ideal for creators who want to edit on the go.